What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a new set of motorcycle gloves here from Kemimoto, and these should be nice for the winter. It's starting to get cold out. I already started wearing a hoodie when I ride now, and it's almost time to go gloves and full face helmet. So I'm going to do a little unboxing or unbagging and product review demo of these new motorcycle gloves. They look awesome. I'm excited to try them out. Here we go. So as you can see, these guys have the armored knuckles here. Nice rigid hard plastic there to protect your knuckles in case you fall. There's a little bit of padding here on the next knuckle up, and you got this Velcro strap here to cinch it down tighter around your wrists if you'd like. They go around, and these you can go over your jacket or under if you want. Nice thick lining. Padded, cozy, comfy, warm. The outside is like a waterproofish kind of material. There's some rubberized stuff here for your grip on the palm and here on the inside of your hands. And then over here we got these tactile response fingertips and thumbs on the thumb and two fingers, so that you can still use your phone and smart devices while you're using the gloves, while you keep your gloves on, so you don't have to freeze your fingertips off. Let's see how well this tactile response works. Oh, very nice. Yeah. Check the gram. Ooh, that looks good. And then on this side, there's a little clip where you can, keep your gloves together. This little clip here, plastic clip. Male and female ends that clip together, keep the gloves together so you don't lose them. So I got this size double XL. There's a really handy measurement guide on Amazon, so you can check to make sure exactly what size you need. I'm usually somewhere around a large for US sizing. But for these, I'm a double XL, so just make sure you check your sizing before you order it. Yeah, perfect fit. So now that we got these out of the bag, let's go give them a try, see how they fare under some riding conditions. It's nice and cool today, so these will feel good. All right, here we go. It's a brisk day, giving these Kemimoto motorcycle gloves a try. These are going to be good in the winter, I can tell already. I don't feel any wind or air getting through the seams in the fingers or the palms or anything. It's got good grip. Got really good grip on the on my handlebars. I can feel it grabbing like the little rubberized palm areas, grabbing onto the grips nicely. Good tactile response on the throttle. No extra material getting in the way. Yeah, these are nice. I like it. I like this product. Very good. Kemimoto motorcycle gloves for the winter. Let's see. Let's give it a little more scrutiny as we go around the block a bit. Oh yeah. Easy to get your fingers out and about around the brake levers, around the grips. Nice strong durable plastic knuckles for protection, and the cuffs that go over my sleeve, so no wind getting up my sleeve. Nice, keeping everything warm. Could also cinch it down tight with the Velcro around the wrist, get even more snug. Very good. Yeah, you can definitely move your fingers around easy on this. Great product. Highly recommend it. I still feel like I have a lot of control of the bike. My fingers go in and out of everything very easily. You know, sometimes when you wear thicker gloves and you ride, it's hard to like feel the bike, if that makes any sense. But with these, it's great. Yeah, nice warm, cushiony, tactile gloves. Nice. Yeah, they're not dirtying up my grips either. That's another thing about some of these gloves. They make your grips so dirty when you use them. These are great. They're not leaving any residue on my grips. They're still nice and yellow and clean. Yeah, I like these. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends and tell your family. Kemimoto motorcycle gloves for the winter. Great buy.